Ki Samla bat ki Paidbah ka themri Bhoi ki la Kynmaw Ieid ye ka sngi kha ba shispa sanpho 150th birth anniversary jong Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel balatip kum ushabuk te song kari India ha ka shpho tere unai wing da ka ba pelong ye ka jing Mareh Paidbah sha ka jing ye tali bala pelong lang da ka office district sports My Bharat Meghalaya bat ka National Service Scheme NSS. Kani ka jing Mareh Paidbah kalasdang na Indo Stadium Lingkadat bat penkut Hari Bhoi College. Ka jing temu jongani ka jing Mareh Paidbah kalong bante songi ki Paidbah ha ka thamei idri ka jing emlang para briu da ka jing suk jing san bat ka jing snok tilang ban yarap markel liang ha ka baha ka miat ka ka shon. Ka kentur kham tam ki Samla ban long ki bakloi ban keneri ki ti jing yarap shegitu ki bran kam ki. Kumju ru ban long terai bat ban Ieid yala ka jong kari. Lapan shingan hagani kesngi da uba EL-HEC MLE ke pentorum krap kum ukongsan bat uba Mirror Bonds im MLE ke nongpo kum ukongsan benrap. Kiwei pat kiriu shampang ki bakentup yu Abilash Baranwal IAS Deputy Commissioner ba O Masar Additional SP kong B Rani ADC ba Michael Mate Director of My Bharat Meghalaya kilai donlang. Ba lapan po ikni ke program da jingput jingtem karwai ke siaw ne ki Samla pule ke skul ba USTM.
Honorable Mareh, the Deputy and the convener of this Unity March, Shri H. Kynmaw.
With a meaningful program, a very important program. We assemble here, we are gathering here to commemorate the 150th birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Who is the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel? Many young generation will not be much aware about the contribution contributed by this great personality. He was the first Home Minister of India. He's a person who has brought all the about 650 princely states together to make the jurisdictions in the map of our country, India, today. He is a man who always speaking about the unity of all these citizens of our country. Whether it is a caste, creed or religions, we are one. We are no different from which community to the other community. We are all the human being. It is created by one God only. So today, I am very happy that from our party, BJP, and also with the department, they are organizing this program. I'd like to thank the party members also who are present here today to ensure that this unity it should not end only when we are marked the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. It should be printed in our mind, the soul, and our spirit. When we are going from here also, we will not allow any discriminations, any hatreds that will be prevails in our life, in the life of our people. And nobody should be allowed that hatred, the discrimination, the misunderstanding among all the people of our country. I'm not saying only the people of our country, even the people of our other country. We are proud to be an Indians, but we have to respect for the people from the other countries also at the same time. We should be above the caste, creeds and religions. We should bring the unity among all the people of our country. So we have seen in few years and also happening in these days, there are many people, including, I'm telling you, don't take me otherwise. Even the student organization, maybe in our states or outside this, in our country, they have misused and go against the law. They have taken the law into their hands, which will not be allowed. We have here the Deputy Commissioner who are looking for the entire administration. We have the police department, and also, like the peace-loving citizens, it's our duty and responsibility to ensure peace to everyone who are residing not only in our state, those are coming from outside our state also. We should be proud to ourselves but respect for others. If we go with that kind of letter and spirit, I'm telling you, we'll make this world a better place to live in. We should make this world a better place to live in for you, for me, and for everyone. We should not give a place or not, should not allow any hatred. We should not allow any discrimination to come in our life.